In this video, I'll show you how to undo a commit on GitHub. First, open your web browser, go to GitHub, and sign into your account. Then open the repository that contains the commit you want to undo. Next, decide how you want to undo the commit. If the commit has already been pushed to GitHub, the safest method is to use git revert, which creates a new commit that reverses the changes without deleting your project's history. Now, open your terminal or command prompt and navigate to your local repository. Find the commit hash by viewing your commit history with the git log command or by opening the commit history on GitHub. Then run the git revert command followed by the commit hash. Git will create a new commit that undoes the selected changes. After that, review the reverted changes and resolve any merge conflicts if Git reports them. Once everything looks correct, push the new commit to GitHub using the git push command. Your repository will be updated with the new revert commit. Finally, refresh your GitHub repository and open the commit history to confirm that the undo operation was successful. The original commit will still be part of the project's history, but its changes will have been reversed by the new commit. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to undo a commit on GitHub. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn ModeLab for more tutorials.